Hey everybody, it's Mike, Monkey Fab. So this guy here, this 4-pin connector, it's for the alternator. It's got 2 slots on the bottom. It says A, B, C, and D. And here are the pins for it. You go to any of the other videos to see how to pin that guy with the seals. Again, these are the crimpers that you need to use. And if you're adapting this for a LS vehicle, what you'd want to do is run a wire to this B port right here. Put a 560 ohm resistor in line and run it to a switch 12 volt source. And that will be what you need to energize your alternator, etc. We also oddly enough have the backside of this guy. So if you, okay, you just ruined that video, Mike, for no reason.